Hi everybody and happy Lunar New Year!
California Adventure for Lunar New Year!
Disneyland's California Adventure did not disappoint for Lunar New Year. So much amazing food and activities and entertainment going on. Characters were dressed up in traditional dress, and there were some special characters too. Take a look at this sugar artist. Absolutely stunning designs.
So cool.
She's pouring hot melted sugar onto the surface and then creating these gorgeous intricate patterns. These were just specialty lollipops that you could purchase and bring home. Everything was decorated and decked out. Here's one of those special meet and greets from Turning Red, our favorite characters. They were so fun to interact with.
Are they supposed to go on the
I'm mean, but I also go my mommy. Well, mom and Mimi's.
Say cheese.
Keep doing a good job with these two, Mom.
Thank you.
We'll see you later.
We found some more characters as we strolled on the boardwalk. For this time, we decided to go with the food pass. And this allowed for us to sample all the foods that we wanted. We didn't even get through our food pass, so we've got a few for next time. At this stand, we tried the brown sugar milk tea, which the girls gave 2 thumbs up. It has a banana-infused whipped cream.
Oh my god, the whipped cream is like banana flavored. Bananas.
At Wrapped with Love, we tried the dessert, which was a mandarin orange, and the fried lemongrass chicken dumplings. That cream puff was to die for. Look at this gorgeous presentation. And inside of that crispy outside cake is a mandarin orange cream sauce and a little glaze in there too. So absolutely delicious. We all agreed that the lemongrass chicken dumplings were delish.
That's really good. I love it. Very sweet. That's good.
All right, I am going to try the lemongrass chicken. So delicious. There were so many different specialty restaurants to try and so many different flavors to explore. I'm super glad that our pass has a few more checks on it. So next time we come, we will be trying some more of these delicious things. But take a look at these menus.
Oh, that's fried chicken wings.
And I was scared.
No, she likes that.
Throughout California Adventure, there was lots of different activities to take part in. There was a gorgeous calligraphy station, lots of information signs around, many different activities. One of my favorite was this wishing wall where you could write your wishes for the new year on a piece of paper and then tie it to the hanging chains. It was just beautiful to see everybody's wishes hanging there. Again, Disney does not disappoint. Each of us did a different wish, and of course I can't tell you my wish because it wouldn't come true, but it does involve organizing. Let's take a look at some of the shopping. There was lots of different Lunar New Year boutiques and shops around. This is one of the ones that is a specialty one that changes over for the different seasons. There was, of course, everything from t-shirts and specialty themed Lunar New Year things. They had different toys and stuff from the different movies, definitely focusing on turning red. Of course, they have specialty ears, specialty Mickeys and Minnies. Look at these cute little stuffies. Lunar New Year pins, several different styles, always gorgeous quality. Look at those cute little Mickey and Minnies there. Turning red toys, soft goods, and toy sets. This was one of my favorite. Look at this cute little set of paws, ears, and a tail, and that fun little baseball hat. There was also a kiosk with giant fortune cookies and cookie snakes.
Look at the snakes. Look at the giant fortune cookie, guys.
Because we are magic key holders, we got a special treat where we got to go a little bit behind the scenes and grab some specialty pins to mark the year of the snake and do a cute little photo shoot. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hold on these to figure out what year you are in the Lunar New Year Zodiac calendar.